Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Notepad++ on your computer. Notepad++ is a free and open-source text editor that's very popular among programmers and developers. Open your favorite browser and in address bar type notepad-++.org and press enter. Once you're on the website, click on the download link at the left side of the page. On the download page, you'll see a list of different versions of Notepad++ that are available for download. In this video, we will install Notepad++ version 8.5. Click on the top link to download the software. You will be redirected to download page. Click on the download button to start downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and find the Notepad++ installation file. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Select the language and click OK to proceed. The installation wizard will guide you through the installation process. Click Next to proceed. Read and accept the license agreement, then click I agree button. Choose the installation location for Notepad++ or leave the default location, then click Next again. Check the components you want to install and uncheck the components you don't want to install. Then click Next again. Choose whether you want Notepad++ to create shortcut on desktop, then click Install. The installation process will take a few minutes to complete. Once it's finished, click Finish to complete the installation process. That's it. You've successfully installed Notepad++ on your computer. You can now use it to create and edit text files. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for new content. Thanks, and see you in the next video.